Khosi Nation, let us gather here. Let's comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok, Buffet, so that our channel can grow, so that we can be able to communicate with different people. Okay, we are seeing Marumo Gallants playing Kaizer Chiefs tomorrow at 7:30. So now the question is, Kaizer Chiefs, did they fix their mistakes? What we saw on uh, when was that? On Sunday when we were playing Zesco, are we going to see at least McCarthy was doing a great job there, fantastic, making sure that he close all the angles. He makes sure that he give an opponent tough time until they substituted that guy. And then seeing Ushabalala coming in and then Villagaz out. The question is, did the coach make sure that he's telling Ushabalala to do his job? We will see. We'll talk about it. And the other thing is, Bafetu, there, we cannot blame a lot of players there because of the pitch. But seeing Abo Monyane not doing their job, Bafetu, because Monyane all the time, it's either he's forward or when he's at the back, he's taking a lot of time to defend. It's not Monyane that we used to see when we were opening this season last year. Monyane was fantastic. He was making sure that he's defending well. And we were even calling him our new Hakim, Kaizer Chiefs Hakimi. But now, where is that Hakim again? We don't see that Hakim. Look at our Hakim, okay? The opponent is kicking the ball. And then we see Ushabalala. Shabalala is trying to defend. Who is not doing his job there? We are seeing Umabui. Mabui is like jogging. And then Undlov is like also jogging. Why are they not doing their job? It was because of the pitch, or it was because of they are trying to advance themselves going forward to attack a lot instead of also helping to balance the midfielder there, because as number 8 and number 6, you have to make sure that in that position you are defending well. And we saw Ugutu Maboy was playing as number 8. That's why they brought Mabaso to replace number 8, where that was not helping. His performance was very poor, Maboy. I don't know, it was because of the pitch or they are starting to praise him too much and then you want to feel comfortable. Okay, seeing Mabaso coming in, the question is still standing. Are we seeing Mabaso doing his great job again? Yes, I can say yes and no. The reason why I'm saying yes, it's because of Mabaso is good at the ball and is making sure that he's passing the ball to the right place. You can see, but McCarthy took very long to at least make a decision. Why don't you pass back to Mabaso so that you can keep the game moving? Because Mabaso came in, but he didn't get that opportunity to play the ball. I don't know if the coaches told the boys to at least just kick the ball because the pitch is not comfortable, or what was the reason behind that. I'm not sure about it. But let's advance our topic. We are going to talk about Monyane. Monyane is putting his hands to an opponent, letting the opponent turn. After the opponent is turning, he started to jog. Who's chasing the opponent? It's Lilepo. Lilepo ended up committing a foul there because of Monyane. Where is Monyane? Monyane, he is in front of Lilepo is like, it's like he's playing as a forward player, a right winger. But Monyane is a defender. He is our right back. Yes, the right back, or let me say full backs, they are allowed to go forward. But let them not forget to at least do their job. Like Abu Hakim, what they are doing, they go forward, but after seeing him forward, he makes sure that he come and cover at the back. And Ulento, Khuliso Motau, he makes sure that he's going forward to attack, but he brings back that energy and come and defend. So I think these boys, they need to be at least coached properly. They need the good coaches to coach them without using this thing of saying, I'm under pressure, I have to at least do something. Don't just do something that is right as a coach, because you have been there in Kaizer Chiefs. And the other thing that is putting them under pressure during holidays, or let me say during December, when the game closed, I don't know if it was on the 15th of December or when was that, our last match against TS Galaxy. Kaizer Chiefs, they went to leave. When other players, they were busy scouting players, training, they just decided to go to leave, thinking that they are trusting themselves, but now they're starting to be under pressure again. So I don't know what is the reason. Are they going to give us as fans? Are they going to just tell us, "Uthi, no, we didn't get enough time with the players to train to see who's going to be a right player in this position"? Is that our fault? No, it's their fault, because of they were supposed to at least, if they opened at least 1 week and then they close around Christmas, that 1 week again, and then they come again on the 1 of January, or on the 2 of January, to come and continue doing their job. And the other things, people who are starting to say, at least we have to choose one coach there in Kaizer Chiefs besides them, the two of them working together, because it's not happening, it's not working, this thing of them working together, because they say when it's Cedric Kaze who's in charge of the game, the players are playing very well and there's an order. And then when it's Khalil Ben Youssef, it's disorder. The game is not enjoyable. So I don't know what are you saying as supporters. Please comment on the comment section so that we can talk about it on the comment section. I mean, sorry, so that we can talk about this buffet before it gets